Hello everyone! Today's recipe, Korean sweet rice cake, Yeongyang Yakbap. First, soak the glutinous rice, dates, and the beans for about 1 hour. We need to wash first the beans before soaking because we will use the water later when we boil it. After 1 hour, boil the beans for about 25 to 30 minutes. Wash the soaked glutinous rice and dates one more time. Cut the side part of dates and remove the seeds. Make a flour by rolling the dates and add one more dates, then cut it. You will add this on top later. This cut one will add together with the glutinous rice. Cut also the chestnuts. Our beans done, let it cool. In a rice pot, add the glutinous rice, boiled beans, cut chestnuts, and dates. Add also raisins, soy sauce, brown sugar, and water from boiled beans. Mix all together well. Put it in the rice cooker. I added 2 more tablespoons of brown sugar, by the way. Cook it for 30 minutes like you cook the normal rice. After 30 minutes, it's done. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix it well. I added 4 pieces of dates and make a flour for the toppings. Spread some sesame oil inside the container. Add the toppings, dates and raisins. Then we can now add the cooked Yeongyang Yakbap. Spread also some sesame oil in your spoon to polish well. And let it sit for 15 minutes. Let's do the remaining. Spread some oil in your knife and cooking paper as well. Cut it, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!